Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Gheenoe Accessories is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to enhance your boating experience, transforming your Gheenoe from a simple vessel into a fully customized platform tailored to your specific needs and adventures on the water. Whether you're a seasoned angler seeking specialized fishing gear, a watersports enthusiast looking for added comfort and convenience, or simply someone who appreciates the finer details that make a day on the lake or river more enjoyable and efficient, the right accessories can make all the difference in how you interact with and utilize your boat. Number 5. SandShark Premium Anchor Bungee Dock Line. Tired of harsh jolts? This bungee dock line absorbs shock, protecting your anchors and docks. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your watercraft is secure. It transforms hard snaps from waves into a gentle pull. This ensures your boat stays firmly in place, whether docked or anchored. The bungee is cleverly hidden inside the rope, acting as a built-in snubber. It's an essential accessory for any boater. This anchor line is the perfect companion for your anchor. It prevents waves from pulling your anchor loose, letting you relax even in rough conditions. It's a must-have for various watercraft, including jet skis and kayaks. Upgrade your boating experience with this essential line. Constructed for durability, it provides a reliable mooring solution. You can trust it to keep your vessel safe and secure. What we like. This bungee dock line is designed to absorb shock, reducing the strain on your anchors and docks. If you're tired of hard snaps and want a gentler pull from waves, this is for you. It's perfect for those who want peace of mind that their watercraft will stay put. What people say. The Gheenoe boat accessories are well designed and functional, enhancing the overall usability of the boat. The product's features are practical and contribute to a better boating experience, making it a valuable addition for Gheenoe owners. Number 4. Seachoice 3-Rod Storage Holder. Introducing the Seachoice 3-Rod Storage Holder. It's designed to keep your fishing rods organized and secure. This holder offers flexible installation, allowing you to mount it either vertically or horizontally to suit your space. Constructed from robust ABS plastic, it's built to last and withstand the elements. It's perfect for storing both spinning and casting rods, making it a versatile addition to your boat or garage. Measuring 2 to 1/2 inches by 7 to 1/2 inches, it provides ample storage without taking up too much room. This reliable storage solution is identified by manufacturer part number 50 to 89501. What we like. This rod storage holder offers a convenient way to store up to 3 fishing rods. It can be mounted either vertically or horizontally, making it versatile for any boat setup. If you're looking for a simple, durable solution to keep your rods organized and accessible, this is a great choice. What people say. The product used is not the cheap foam, but a much more dense material, which should hold up a lot better to weather UV, etc. These worked perfect. Great tension for holding the rods in place. They have survived about 6 fishing trips on salt water and hold the rod snug, without any room for movement during even the roughest of seas. Number 3. Camco Boat Dual Water Feed Motor Flusher, 50141. Effectively remove salt, sand, silt and other debris from your boat engine's cooling system. This helps prevent corrosion and extend its life. Featuring a dual input system, it delivers enhanced water flow for a more thorough engine flush. This ensures maximum efficiency. Easily connected to any standard garden hose for quick and convenient setup. No special tools are required. It is designed to work with a wide range of marine engines. This makes it a versatile tool for all boat owners. It is ideal for prepping your engine for off-season storage. Flush out contaminants that can cause damage over time. What we like. This motor flusher effectively removes salt, sand, and silt from your boat engine's cooling system. Its dual input design ensures maximum efficiency for a thorough flush. If you need to protect your engine from corrosion and extend its life, especially during winterization, this is an essential tool. What people say. The Camco Boat Dual Water Feed Motor Flusher is a must-have for any boat owner looking to keep their engine running clean and healthy. It's an easy-to-use and highly effective tool for flushing contaminants out of your boat engine after a day on the water. Setup couldn't be simpler. just attach the flusher to your engine's water intake and connect the dual feeds to a garden hose. The secure, snug fit ensures no leaks, and the dual feed design delivers consistent water flow for a thorough flush. It works seamlessly with both outboards and IO motors. This motor flusher does exactly what it promises, flushes out salt, sand, and debris quickly and efficiently. The dual feed system ensures optimal water pressure and even cooling across the engine, which is a huge plus compared to single feed flushers. My engine stays cooler and cleaner, extending its lifespan and preventing corrosion. The materials feel solid and well made. It's built to last and withstand regular use, which is great considering how often I rely on it after saltwater trips. These flushing muffs fit my Bravo 3 stern drive perfectly, provide good water flow to the engine for flushing and winterizing. Number 2. WavesRx Premium Boat and Jet Ski Trailer Transom Straps. Safely transport your boat, pontoon, or personal watercraft. Minimize movement during transit to prevent damage. These straps offer a braking strength of 1,600 pounds and a working load limit of 400 pounds. Ensure compliance with Department of Transportation regulations. Many U.S. states now require the use of strap tie-downs for marine equipment transport. Easily adjust the length from 16 to 48 inches using the quick-release buckle. They are ideal for securing various watercraft, including boats up to 24 feet and jet skis, to your trailer. Never lose a strap again. The vinyl-coated top hook includes a safety lock to prevent accidental detachment during transport. Engineered for long-term performance in tough marine conditions. You can rely on their quality, usability, and innovation, backed by a 3-year replacement warranty. What we like. These trailer transom straps are designed for the secure transportation of your watercraft, minimizing movement and preventing damage. With an adjustable length from 16 to 48 inches and a quick-release buckle, they offer universal use. If you prioritize safety and DOT compliance during transport, these straps provide confidence and peace of mind. What people say. The latch gate on the hooks are also a plus and will keep the hooks in place, not left on the road, if for some reason they come loose. These are very easy to use, look great, and hold the boat down to the trailer perfectly. Safe, strong, they won't come loose nor will you ever loose them. Not to mention quick and easy and not having to worry about corrosion making them harder to use down the road. Number 1. Boat Motor Muffs Outboard and Inboard Engine Flush Kit. Introducing our premium boat muffs, engineered for the 2025 season. They are constructed with durable rubber and flexible water lines, featuring watertight seals for testing, cooling, winterizing, and warming your engine. Our engine flush kit offers a universal fit, designed to adapt to almost any outboard motor and inboard outboard IO engines. The large ear muffs ensure easy flushing and thorough cleaning of your engine's intake. Experience superior water intake with our double-sided design, providing increased water supply compared to traditional single-sided muffs. This ensures a more efficient flush every time. Installation is a breeze with our standard connection that attaches to any garden hose. An optional quick connect adapter is included, and no tools are required for setup. Choose Better Boat Products, a family-owned American business dedicated to premium quality and customer satisfaction. We stand behind our products and offer exceptional customer service. What we like. This engine flush kit is built with durable rubber and features a double-sided intake for superior water supply. It offers a universal fit for most outboard and IO engines. If you need a reliable way to test, cool, winterize, or warm your engine, this is a practical and effective solution. What people say. Seals up nicely on my Alpha 2. Works great, let me run my engine on land to make sure it was running okay. Used on a 42-year-old boat, IO engine, and they fit snug, and keep water flowing while you run the engine on land. Easy to slip on and stays in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.